In today's video, what I simply want to show you is how I was able to make $1,000 online in the crypto space without even trading. Because yeah, I do not even know how to trade nor read charts, but I was able to make such amount of money within a short period of time. I have heard of people saying that crypto is a scam, they've lost money. But seriously, if you know what to do and do not gamble with your money, you're going to make a whole lot of money from the crypto space even while you are sleeping. And this is the best time to do exactly what I did to make huge amounts of money, because 2024 will be an interesting year for those in the crypto space. So if you follow what I'll be teaching you in this video, you're going to make a whole lot of money. You will make yourself a millionaire in this year 2024. So in this video, you'll be learning exactly what I did to grow my account, and also I'll be showing you the coins I bought that made me this profit. And you know what? This is just the beginning. By the middle of next year, this account will grow more than this. You will also learn what you shouldn't do so you wouldn't lose your money. All of this I'll be teaching you in this video. So stick around and watch this video to the very end, as I will be taking you through on how you can make yourself a millionaire in this year 2024. So if you just see me, my name is Chidi. I'm a make money online enthusiast, and I'm very, very passionate about helping you make money on the online space. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and turn your bell on so that YouTube notifies you whenever I upload content that can make you money on the online space. So have you subscribed? Hit the subscribe button right away. I'm waiting. Thank you. So like I said, today I want to teach you how you can make a lot of money this year, 2024, even without trading. You'll be making this money even while you are sleeping. Now, this is my Binance account and this is my wallet. You can see the total balance I have here is $1,165. Now, look here. This is Sol. I bought this very coin here you're seeing with $100, $100. And now it's $436 currently. You can see I have a profit of over $336 here. Now look at this one here, protocol. I bought this coin with $100 and now it's over $284. I've made over $184. And this coin here, just me, I bought with $100 and it's over $158. This one here I bought with $100 is over $148. You can see there is massive profit on all these coins I have bought. I bought them, I didn't trade any of them, but I am in massive profit already. So look at the total profit, the total balance I have had is almost $1,165 within the short period of time, and this is just the beginning. So if you're a patient type, you will make massive money in the crypto space. So what exactly did I do to make such amount of money within the short period of time in the space of 4 to 5 months? Because for me, there's no business that will give you such amounts of profit within the short period of time. Okay, so what did I do? I simply bought those coins that has potential of rising during the bull markets. Okay, I did my research and I was able to come up with these coins. I bought them at a very low rate, and today now I am in massive profit, and this is just the beginning. You too can buy with as low as $50 and become a millionaire in this coming season. So what do? You buy them in the spot market and hold them. As you can see, all my coins are in the spot market, in the spot wallet. And I'm holding them till the bull market is over, then I'll convert them to USDT. The reason why you should hold those coins in your spot wallet is even if the market retraces and goes down, your assets still remains intact. Not like those that trade futures on a daily basis. Once the market goes down, they lose their assets. Okay, so the spot market is just a nice place for you to be if you do not know how to trade. Just make sure you are in the spot market. Hold those coins, have patience, little patience, and you see yourself balling in money. Now I want to shock you. For those of you that say they don't have money to buy those coins, You can buy for as low as $50. This is the coin I bought with $53. Just within a short period of time, I have made over $100 in it, just within a short period of time. For you to know that I am not, exaggerating, this is me telling someone on my WhatsApp that you should buy this coin that I've bought mine for $53. This is the screenshot, this is the date, and the period I told the person to buy this coin. Then I bought the coin with $53, and today I'm in profit in that coin. Now, some of you will be saying, which coin should I buy? I don't know coin to buy. I'll say you should do your own research and know the coins that you can afford to buy. Okay, so if you ask me, I'll say that Sol is a very good coin to buy. BNB is a very good coin to buy because it has its own blockchain, okay, network. Jasmine, for me, is a good coin to buy. TRX is a good coin to buy because it also has its own blockchain network, okay, powered by TRC20. Okay, it's even still very, very much affordable. I think it's around 0.1 or thereabout. Okay, you can still buy that coin. You can invest your money in Casper coin. That coin is a very good coin to buy too, because this coin I'm calling out now, I've done my research, and for me, I think those coins are very good. You can see from what I showed you earlier, I have some of those coins I mentioned. You can just invest $50 just for the year. Keep it there. Let it be a money you're saving instead of keeping the money in the bank, because the profit you're going to get it from the bank, it will not be that much. But with $50 in the crypto space, your money will keep multiplying. Will keep multiplying. So there are many good coins out there. All you just have to do is to do your own research and get those coins for yourself. Now, what should you not do so you wouldn't lose your money in the crypto space? Please do not connect your wallet to any airdrop site. Okay, for me, I don't do that. I don't do it. So do not connect your wallet to any airdrop site, because you may click on a link, on a scam link that will clear up your assets and you won't be able to recover them. And if you're the type that likes clicking on any link you see on the internet space, please avoid it. Stop it. Yes, because you may still click on a link that will hack your phone and you discover that all your money is gone. You can attest to that with so many people being scammed of their money in the bank. So the same thing happens in the crypto space. Please avoid clicking on links online, anyhow link, please. If you have the money, maybe you can get yourself another cell phone. You get yourself another cell phone, use one for anything that has to do with, Facebooking, stuff like that. And you keep your account, your wallet on the other phone, maybe your bank account, your mobile app, and the rest will be on another phone. Just like I have one here. I am recording with one and I have another one. Okay, so this is the measures I put in place to make sure that I remain safe. So guys, make sure you do your own research and make yourself a millionaire this year, because this year 2024 stroke 2025, it is going to be massive in the crypto space. Okay, so I want you to save this video, because I know you will surely come back testifying to what I just taught you here in this video. If you got value, make sure you like and comment in this video. I want to see your comments. I want to see all of your comments. I want to see your questions. Drop all your questions right in the comment section, because I'll be there to answer all of those questions as soon as I can. Those questions and comments makes me want to do more videos for you. And please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right away. Hit the subscribe button right away. Make sure you subscribe and turn your bell on to always get notified whenever I drop content in this channel. Okay, so you wouldn't miss out on any of this opportunity of making money in the online space. So until my next video, I love you all. Good luck.